Hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well, and in this tutorial video what I'll be showing you guys is how you can update Notion. Now, as you can see, I am in Notion, and Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for organizing your day or creating documents using a wide variety of templates for a lot of different purposes. Now, I would wholeheartedly recommend you try this, but let's say you already have Notion and you want to update it. As I've said, I'll be showing you that in this video, and the way you do that is first and foremost check the updates here. As you can see, you will have either archived or in your inbox, and you should see any and all updates for Notion. Now, once you start up Notion and there is a new update, it should notify you with a sort of text box here, which should be blue, and once you click it, Notion will update by itself. But let's say that that's not working for some odd reason. What you want to do to update Notion is first and foremost uninstall Notion. You won't lose your data from, as far as I know. You just need to access your account and you'll retrieve it just fine. And you want to delete Notion, and what you want to do once you've deleted it is to go into %app_data% in your search bar. This is for Windows. I don't know how to do this for Mac. And you'll get into roaming. Once you are in roaming, just locate the file starting with N, and you'll see the Notion file here. What you want to do is delete that. Once you do, go into app data and go into local, and you'll see the Notion updater. Once you're here, delete that file as well, and once you've deleted all of that, you can go ahead and reinstall Notion with a clean install, and you should have the latest version of Notion if you've downloaded it from their site. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.